Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you a pair of turquoise earrings I made using these filigree templates. Again, I got these at Amazon from Panda Hall. Now as you can see, all my findings match. They're all in brass. These earrings I made from this template right here. And you want to make sure that all your findings match. So if you paint this, then use the same type of coloring. But as you can see, I used the brass jump rings, and I had some turquoise stones in both teardrop and opal that I used. And I had my jewelry working tools. And what I did was I got these jump rings. I got 6mm jump rings, and I also have 4mm jump rings. So it's always good to have different sizes because sometimes the big don't look correct. And you want your jewelry working tools, and you want your earring hooks and all your supplies. And it's very easy to make this simple pair of turquoise filigree earrings. So as you're seeing them, what I did was I took a jump ring, and there's little holes right there, and I put it from left to right, and that was the 4mm jump ring, okay? And on the top I used the 6mm, two in each hole and then one. And then I attached, right, see how these holes are at the ends? And that's how you have to be careful how you put them in. And then I just attached my beads at the end with a teardrop turquoise. But see, you could see how I put it in the back, and that's how it looks in the front. It's very easy. You could put the jump rings any way you decide. And I really like the way it turned out. This is what they look like. This is the end result. I just used some E6000 glue to glue the, and I just glued those oval little pieces of turquoise. They're flat on the back, so I was able to do that with E6000 glue. And of course I attached the bottom pieces with jump rings. You could put the jump rings any way that you find most pleasing. And so that's just another idea of what you can do with these filigree templates.